We're here, Branson, Missouri, so you know we gotta try some Billy Gals. That's what everybody says to try, so we're gonna try it out. And if you guys don't know, we're a traveling family of 6, and we're adding one more, so I guess family of 7. So I'm here in Branson, Missouri with Chris, and he's showing us how they flip this pancake, and it's just awesome. We're here, Branson, Missouri, so you know we gotta try some Billy Gals. That's what everybody says to try, so we're gonna try it out. And if you guys don't know, we're a traveling family of 6, and we're adding one more, so I guess family of 7. We travel full time, and yeah, bring you guys with us all the time. That's what we do and we love to do. So yeah. Thank you. You colored it for me? Thank you, Papa. Oh man, he's got an owie there too.
Who did that?
What are you getting? So these guys are drawing some pancakes. We're gonna. You think it's 14 inches? The pancakes?
14 inches?
Count it.
What do you think, Ben?
I heard their Bloody Marys are really good. Obviously, I can't drink.
You got me a pancake too? Ooh, buddy. Let me have a bite. Yeah, I ate it all. Gone. You eat it. You got it all gone? I can't eat no more. I'm full.
Ay, ay, ay.
Why is there bacon on it? That's crazy. Can I have the bacon?
You can't even have the bacon.
That's part of your Billy Buster.
Oh my!
With the 2 pancakes over here, Billy Buster.
What do you got there?
Banana pancake.
Thank you.
Banana butter.
And the country fried steak combo.
Awesome, thank you. Jesus. You think you guys could finish this one?
Yeah, I can finish it.
I don't believe it.
We're gonna eat them.
Thank you.
Enjoy, my friends, please.
Thank you.
I want to eat that banana with.
Okay. We'll do it like pizza slices.
This is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Can you get me a
And I'm gonna eat
plate
it.
cutter?
Dude, I want to try this.
Hold on. This thing's huge too. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Did you?
No. Oh, I got one. One of us has sourdough and one has white. I didn't know which one you wanted, so I got little balls.
Here, baby.
So I'm here in Branson, Missouri with Chris, and he's showing us how they flip this pancake, and it's just awesome. How long have you guys been doing this pancake?
It's been going for years now. We're getting pancakes pretty good.
Oh, it's amazing. We had 4 of them. Yeah.
Yeah, more.
Yeah. And
I tell you what, I cannot even eat one of them. It's probably just one piece and I'm good.
we got like half of 2 of them left. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's,
You know, a lot of people come here just to do the experience of having the big pancake and they see the little piece.
is there like a challenge or anything? Like, what's the most somebody's ever eaten?
I would say one full one, like 2 of them.
Yeah, I can't even eat 1 and a half. Like half of one? No.
I cannot even make it. Maybe a little one, yeah, I feel good, but even like that, I can't. I tried it one time.
Yeah. How long do you normally do this? Wait.
So normally you take it like 5 minutes on one side and then 5 minutes on the other one. But if you spread it more, you get 3 minutes and 3 minutes.
Oh, that's way cool.
Yeah, you see when you see all these bubbles coming in the middle,
Yeah.
that's pretty much getting ready on the bottom. And how you see that around the whole package.
That's crazy. That's a big pancake. Chris just made it look easy, and you guys are going to see that. So, yeah.
Good experience. That's what that.
No, thank you for showing me how you guys flip it and how you guys make the delicious food. We'll be back.
Well, sounds good. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, no, that's the good pancakes.
There we go.
Thank you so much.
Take care, sir. Thank you.
And that is Gregorio, and you guys will see him on the next one because we got another surprise for you. We're going to go visit him. He's going to show us a little bit of things, how he makes some guacamole for us because he's a great, we had him as our server, and he was amazing, quick and fast. He showed us a little bit of everything. But until then, like, subscribe. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Catch you guys on the next one. See you later.